I'm glad I saw Don Jose because we're crashing the table with him. So for tonight, actually it's not night yet, but it's early dinner, and we're having the the Baja Lobster ultimate seafood. Okay, I'm very hungry, and these are the people here. Not much. That's why I want to come a little early, because I don't want falling in line, and plus I've been exhausted because I work all around the house today. And the baby, they brought the baby last night, so took care of it. We have corn, we have shrimp, lobster, and of course the crab legs and lobster. And my favorite tea, the chamomile lavender mint, my favorite.
Give that a try, huh? Oh, hey.
Why did I forget vlog order one when it's not taken? Now I have to cover that. So you can take a picture of this one. This one, this is tamales, corn, chicken, arroz, and strip tacos, and my sister and Don Jose, he won jackpot. Are you coming here Saturday?
I mean,
You have jackpots, right?
2, 3, I don't know.
I got only one. I only for the people they hit a jackpot Saturday. Yeah, that's a jackpot party. I never. You're working anyway, so you don't have to worry. No, I'm gonna get up early. That's why I switched with Maria. What I thought. Maria told me that it's gonna be. No, you heard earlier you're closing. You're coming in at 12. No, we switched. I'm opening. So Maria really is be the one to open.
Where's Maria?
On my coworker. And then Maria Lewis, that's what she invited me to come. I don't know that for that. Who invited you? Maria Lewis. Maria Lewis? Louis. Ah, Louis. She probably hit the jackpot too. Yes, she hit the jackpot. How many? Is that for the whole year? No, 3 months. March, April, May. When was it? She hit the jackpot? I think March. I can remember. I think March. Supposed to be Millet also need to come over.
Did you hear me tell me you hit 4 or 5 jackpot in one day?
When?
Last week?
I don't think
2
so.
weeks ago?
I don't know.
You're a dangerous waiter, man. Dangerous.
The armpit?
Always something hot in front of your face.
No, si ano? It's been recorded though.
Hey,
And he follow me on my blog.
when you gonna invite me over, baby?
And then later on you're gonna be eating,
When you gonna invite me over for dinner? Invite me over. A tu casa.
en mi casa
Que tú preparaste.
preparar comidas,
También.
la noche. Oh yeah, there's another Chihuahua there. 6 Chihuahuas. Oh, the Chihuahua is gonna be entertaining. Gonna be barking all night. See, right now I feel exhausted that after eating. Kunin mo na to, eat that one. That's the breast. Busog na. Just press it in. Sana na sa lobster mo, kinain.
Yeah, the lobster.
Magpwede po kumuha.
My lobster is in my tummy now.
You just gave me 2.
I can get more. Sigma para focus mo po. Nakikipag-fight, adin ko nga. Adin lobster.
Oh, at least,
May gali. Ano? Ano ko na lang? Baka na ba?
one paman sana.
Alam ko po.
Inaulat ko si ano. Ano na nangyari?
Okay. Hindi na ka naman para ko. Kagtupa ka mo.
Nanabi ako tinatao. Corn. Sabi okay, di man. Bitbitin mo na. Tanam is na.
Ito yan.
Ang iba kapila di nagpapalong.
Ano nga? No, di na ka nagkuha. Kagag ka na nakadod sa pasada.
Ang unang pila ako pag-arag ko kan nagkakaway. Ang sabi ko, arag anak ko ka di ako.
Sabi niya.
Man, inong ako mo na si Kowa King Ono Lamisa ni ano ni Kabisto ko.